Kaspa investors are going to be rich in the heat of the bull market, and also Kaspa investors will retire early. I'm going to dive right into all of this in this very video. Why Kaspa is unique compared to other proof of work or layer 1 protocol right now, and the unique things about Kaspa, why you need to get this into your portfolio. I will also do break down this technical analysis and the quantity of coin you need in your Kaspa portfolio right now. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading, and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Kaspa is very important to all of us that want to invest in right now. The best and good layer 1 crypto that you can get in your portfolio at the moment for this very bull market is Kaspa. If you have any other, comment below in the comment section and have the uniqueness I'll be talking about in this very video. Comment below right now in the comment section and give me that very coin. Let me check it out. Kaspa is a proof of work coin, just like Bitcoin, okay? And I want to go through this so that you understand the severity of what I'm talking about, so that you invest in this very coin wisely. It is designed to address some of the issues and key limitations of Bitcoin, like we all know scalability. Bitcoin have scalability issue and also transaction speed. So Kaspa address the transaction speed when it comes to proof of work coin and layer 1 protocol. And also Kaspa is committed to true decentralization and scalable network. We've seen in the past where some blockchain and something will come up with decentralization, but most of those decentralization are not true, okay? But Kaspa have what we call true decentralization and scalable network. What keeps Kaspa different from Bitcoin and other POW coin is because it uses a special data structure known as cryptocurrencies, and this protocol processes data faster and more efficient compared to other proof of work coin like Bitcoin and many others. Let's look at the uniqueness of Kaspa. The first uniqueness of Kaspa is that it uses a technology called cryptocurrencies, and this protocol is a game changer, unlike Bitcoin that allows block to be added one after the other. Cryptocurrencies allow block or multiple blocks to be added at the same time and also confirm transaction at the same time. This is super insane. Remember, Kaspa is still in its development stage, and many other developers are coming on board to bring this technology to the light. And this is very important. The next feature is fast transaction. Kaspa is very fast compared to other layer 1 protocol. For example, it's faster than Bitcoin. It's also faster than Ethereum. It's not faster than Solana, but it have a lot of features that are very much powerful compared to the Solana blockchain. The next one is Kaspa is about decentralization. This is what so many blockchains have struggled with over time, and Kaspa have solved this issue. The next one is Kaspa speed is the best when it comes to layer 1 space right now, aside Solana, okay? And we have to take this into consideration that Kaspa is also environmentally friendly, unlike other POW coin that involves mining with the use of high computation power. Kaspa is also known and suitable for DeFi gaming and also supply chain management. Kaspa is the best right now when it comes to layer 1 crypto. Kaspa is going to do very well in the heat of the bull market. If you look at this very chart, markets have moved from here to the upside. So we see a significant move from this very point to the upside, and could this be the last point you will see Kaspa? The best time to buy is where it is right here, and the best time to buy as well is if it comes back to the downside. That is why I am betting hard on Kaspa right now. Market is going to move to the upside. Now, if you look at the 1 week chart, the 1 week chart suggests something very important. The 1 week chart is also saying that market have that capacity, very little one, to come back down. So there is a tendency of this market come back down a little bit before it will move upward. Look at the stochastic oscillator, okay, right here is gradually coming into the oversold condition, already in the oversold condition, but it has not crossed over. What I am waiting for personally is that very crossover. Once we see that crossover on Kaspa right here, on the 1 week chart, market is going to pump all the way to the upside and you will never see this price again. So the best time to buy is right now. Look at the past where markets do a crossover at the oversold condition. At this very point, market from here move all the way to the upside. At this very point right here, market from here move all the way to the upside. So what that implies is right now is the best time to get Kaspa into your portfolio. And going back to the 1-day chart, the 1-day chart look very, very nice. Market is still going to move upward, and what I am expecting is market still pump all the way to the upside on Kaspa. So the best time to buy is where the price is at the moment. So market have capacity of moving upward, and at the same time market have capacity as well, very little one, to come back down before that final move to the upside. If you look at the stochastic oscillator, out of oversold condition, moving upward, about to cross the 50% line right here, which means market have high capacity of moving upward compared to coming back to the downside. Notwithstanding, today is the CPI data, which is going to feel a lot of stuff in the crypto space right at the moment. Kaspa is one of those layer 1 crypto that have done 87,000% all time. Okay, as you can see right here on CoinMarketCap, aside BNB. So why can't you get this very coin into your portfolio? Kaspa is just a new coin or new crypto right now in this very space, and it has done this much for the past, let's say, 2 years max. And do you think it's not going to do higher than this in the heat of the bull market? Remember, we are just coming out of the bear market. It is the best time to buy Kaspa right now. And this channel, I will be talking about Kaspa almost every week, okay? Because Kaspa is my biggest hold right now, and I will keep adding to my Kaspa position till December. This is very important right now. So how much Kaspa do you need for retirement and for you to retire early, let's say in the next 10 years? If you look at it right here, let's say for example you are a big investor and you want to invest with $10,000. So if you use $10,000 to buy Kaspa at this very point where it is right now of 0.162, so if you divide $10,000 by 0.163, okay, and you're going to have this quantity of Kaspa. This is 61.3 thousand Kaspa, and if you multiply this with my own projection, I am expecting Kaspa to do the least $25 in the heat of the bull market. The least $25. Kaspa is going to do more than that in the future, but in this very bull market we just enter, and in the heat of the bull market in 2025, Kaspa is going to do the least $25. That is my own opinion. And if you multiply that by this, you're going to have this in your portfolio in the heat of the bull market in 2025. This is $1.5 million. That is if you use $10,000 to buy Kaspa right now, where it is going to make you rich. That is just the truth. And if you don't have $10,000, let's say for example you are a small investor, you can buy it with $20. You can buy with 50, 100, and keep stacking your portfolio upward. The reason why Kaspa is very important right now is because it is a new technology. It does not work like Bitcoin, but it uses the same kind of principle like transaction speed, scalability, decentralization. Kaspa have a new technology, unlike Bitcoin adding single block to the blockchain every time. Kaspa have the capacity of adding multiple blocks to the blockchain and confirming all of them at the same time, making transaction fast and scalable through decentralization. The best time to buy is right now. Don't wait anymore. So Kaspa from here is going to move all the way to the upside, and my projection for Kaspa in the heat of the bull market in 2025, like I said earlier, if you go back to the 1 week chart, Kaspa is going all the way to $25 per Kaspa and $30 as the case may be. And as time goes on, 10 years from now, Kaspa is going to do very, very well and it can retire you very early. Get some Kaspa into your portfolio and you will be happy you did. And I will be talking about this very coin almost every week on this very channel to get you updated and to get you know technology that Kaspa is developing and the team are doing very, very great. Please, if you like content like this, support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. And then if you have not registered with Binance, OKX, Bybit, link in the description of this very video. Check it out. Do the registration, claim all the bonuses. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.